In today's video, I'm so excited to be partnering with Keurig. Y'all, I just got an upgrade. Now, I've had my Keurig for a long time, but we got an upgrade. Out with the old and in with the new. If you're a coffee lover, whether you like hot and or cold coffee, you're gonna like this. Keurig has finally made a machine that does both. This is the all-in-one K-Brew+Chill Coffee Maker. This actually makes hot coffee and cold iced coffee. As a busy mom of two, I cannot survive my days without my coffee. So this is a game changer. To be able to have my hot coffee in the morning and then a nice chill brew in the evening, all made from home. What? Talk about the savings. Makes me so happy. And let me tell you, this K-Brew+Chill coffee maker is game changing. It has a quick chill technology that brews cold coffee in under 3 minutes. It seriously just comes out super cold. I'm gonna show you just how cold it is. I'm gonna grab my thermometer and I'm gonna stick it in this fresh brewed cup of iced coffee. Let's see how cold it actually is. So based on my thermometer, it goes down to about 58 degrees. So no need to add ice, but you already know when you add ice, it ruins everything. It waters everything down. The water temperature is perfect. And you can still make your regular hot coffee as well. I mean, just look at the steam coming off the hot cup of coffee. The setup process is easy. You just plug it in, place it where you like, fill the chill tank, give it a few hours to brew. You want the two lights to be solid blue for the coldest brew. You'll also fill the water reservoir, which it holds 70 ounces of water, which is really nice for cutting down on refills. You can brew 4 different size cups, 6, 8, 10, and 12 ounce cups in both hot and cold temperatures. You can brew both hot and cold coffee using most K-Cup pods, but they do have a ton of iced flavors if you want to try those out. The capabilities of this brewer allows for stronger, more intense flavors in each cup of coffee or drink. You can even make cold or hot coffee back to back because it has a built-in rinse cycle after you make your coffee so that your machine stays clean. And if you want to run an extra rinse, you can just hit that rinse button. So you don't have to worry about your hot coffee tasting like your berry iced drink. Now for this iced pumpkin spice. Pumpkin spice is seriously one of my favorite fall flavors. You can feel free to add your favorite milk or creamer to your coffee. Looks so good, right? Yeah, no ice for me. And I now have my evening boost. I am now very happy. And I'm going to be saving a lot more money. Hot or cold? Which one are you? Comment and let me know your favorite iced coffee recipe for me to try. Thanks to Keurig for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up and make sure you guys subscribe.